Hey guys, Attorney Jamila Little here. Today I want to talk about this whole registration requirement. So last month, USCIS announced, or I should say announced the enforcement of this registration requirement for non-citizens. And the reason why I say the enforcement is because this is actually not new. This is on the books. There is a law on the books requiring any non-citizen who is 14 years or older to register and be fingerprinted within the first 30 days of their arrival here in the United States. And for those who fail to do so, they can face criminal penalties. So let's talk about the people who would be considered as having already registered. USCIS did provide a list. This includes LPRs. So if you're a lawful permanent resident, you would have already satisfied your registration requirement. Non-citizens who were paroled into the United States under INA 212D5, even if your parole is already expired. Non-citizens who were admitted to the United States in a non-immigrant status and you were issued an I-94, even if that period of admission is already expired. Non-citizens who are present in the United States and who were issued immigrant or a non-immigrant visa prior to coming into the U.S. Non-citizens who DHS has placed into removal proceedings. So if you're in deportation proceedings, you will already be considered as having registered. Non-citizens who were issued an employment authorization document or an EAD card. Non-citizens who applied for their green card. So you applied for lawful permanent residence and you completed a form I-485, 687, 691, 698, or I-700, even if the application was denied. And then also it includes non-citizens who would have received a border crossing card. So according to USCIS, in the coming days, there will be more announcements as to how to complete this registration, the forms that need to be used, etc. As of today, which is March 5th, USCIS has not announced any additional information except those categories of people who will need to register, and that if you fall into one of those categories, you should create an online account. So if you do have questions with regards to this registration requirement, penalties, go ahead and drop it in the chat. Let's have this conversation, talk about who needs to register, and share this with someone who you think it might be helpful for. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more immigration tips and updates. I'll see you guys in the next one.